Amotekun gets state order to sweep bandits out of farm settlements. Oyo government directs state security network Amotekun to sweep bandits out of farm settlements forest reserve. The Oyo state government has directed the state security network, codenamed Amotekun, to comb the state's farm settlements and forest reserves which have been allegedly taken over by bandits. The chairman Oyo State Security Network, retired General Kunle Togun, disclosed this in a chat with Noble FM's correspondent Michael Oladijo this Tuesday. According to General Togun, list of the farm settlements and forest reserve to be swept have been sent to the security network, and the task has been registered as the first assignment of the Amotekun Corps immediately after it took over. The Amotekun boss revealed to Noble FM News that the ongoing screening exercise for 47,000 intending Amotekun Corps personnel will come to an end on the 4th of October 2020. General Togun, who was a former director of military intelligence and deputy director general of the State Security Service, explained that due to logistics, only 2,000 personnel will be recruited for the official takeoff of the Operation Amotekun in Oyo State. 1,000 dropped from the 3,000 personnel initially proposed ahead of the state security network formally take off. Noble FM correspondent Michael Oladijo gathered that the 2,000 outstanding intending Amotekun security outfit applicants that will be chosen among the 47,000 registered applicants will receive 3 months of intensive training. Thank you for listening to this news. Lobaton. Lobaton, Lobaton. You can hear that. It is finished. See, if only federal government can give instructions of this kind to state government, if they cannot help, let them at least come up with intelligent idea like this. Instruct state government to use their local security network to gain to get rid of these hoodlums, because it is through these local villages, communities, that these hoodlums, through these communities, that is where they make use of to gain entrance into different areas in Nigeria, different communities, different states. Since they know that the Nigerian military cannot do it alone, let them make use of these people. Let them work with these people. See, Amotekun, to me, at least, since their inauguration, have been working. They have been working, most especially concerning this issue of herdsmen. They have been working. They have been doing things possible to get hold of them. I'm telling you, and I really appreciate them. I really appreciate the hard work. This is what we're saying. But it's just that the federal government has refused to appreciate them. And I know that this is the work of those hoodlums, the work of the sponsors of these hoodlums. He will be the one engineering on the ground, doing the engineering on the ground for these Amotekun not to be accepted, because they have seen the possibility of Amotekun getting hold of them if they are given the opportunity. They are afraid of these local securities because they know that these local security know the hideout. Know that when the militaries cannot enter, these local securities can enter there. Don't forget, most of them are hunters of that community. So they are not afraid of animals or anything, and they are full of charms. So they are afraid of them. So that is why they don't want the federal government to recognize them. But whether the federal government like it or not, this local security must be recognized. Since they cannot do anything, allow the state government to do something. Recognize them and give them all that they need. Give them the weapons, give them the backups, and let them go out and work. What are we saying? Kill and saw ye. Eh? I don't know. I don't know when our federal government will understand that we need a support. We need a helping hand. Are we not the one calling on international country to assist us? Are we not the one calling them? Is it the only international country can assist us? We have people that can even assist us better than the international securities. We are just looking down on them. Eh? Looking down on them. Believing that they cannot do it. That's Nigerians for you. You will not appreciate what you have until you lose it. Until you lose it. And that is what is happening. That's what is happening. My viewers, I will tell you that this country, this our government, contributes 80%. Contributes 80% in the issue of insecurity we are going through in this country. In fact, they are the architect of our problem. Can't you see? Can't you hear it everywhere? Everyone, just yesterday or this morning, President Mubarak was dragged to court. He was dragged to court because of this issue of insecurity. It's too much. Let's tell ourselves it's too much. It's too much. So, my viewers, what is your take on this news? Please, you do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.